everyone, it's Annette Green. Welcome back. I am back from my Crafty cruise where I taught some classes with Crafters Therapy Cruises. And I'm going to share those classes with you after the video. But the video today is about a little recap of my time on the cruise, on the Icon of the Seas with Royal Caribbean, and the two classes, and some all kinds of fun photos and things like that. So that is the video today, and at the very end I'm going to talk about the classes. I'll show you what we made. This is the make and take. I'll tell you all about this stuff, and then also I will tell you how to get your hands on some extra kits. I had a few left over and I'm going to list them in my Etsy shop. So enjoy this very brief video as a recap of my cruise, and then stay till the end to check out the info about this stuff.
Marked illegally and subject to be ticketed and towed.
I want him to be successful. He works for the same.
Dr. Barlow, Dr. Bankfield. Well, I'm assuming it was for both of them. Dr. Barlow's the one that gave it to me.
It's got lights in it.
So I just told her.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning. How are you?
What you're doing is you're getting your hands on a brand new release that nobody has seen, nobody has worked with, and it'll be out in 2 weeks with Elizabeth Craft Design.
What do you do? When they were young. And the good thing too is that I work with pediatrics. Right.
Welcome. How are you?
We can sneak that, but oh, you got to show her the one last night.
And then yes, on the cruise, and then when we did the anthem in 19, yeah, then we got moved to 20. Yeah, that's what I got too. Oh, brother. And
I'm good. I'm gonna be a card. Let's get rid of it.
We're grouping everybody up in 3, okay? But that's okay if you have a bigger one. We have more than 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We also have some nice gift shop there where you can. May God continue to bless each.
That's me. By the way, my name is Elmer. I'm a fake Japanese chef. You walk around the ship. Yeah. Go home with the size of the ship.
The scuttlebutt is, and in just a few moments, sailors scare away. There's a way to sail. The sounds of the Arabian Nights. Ahoy, Sinbad and Scimitar swinging sail. Starting with a dropping track.
I've got sunshine on the day. Double zero. Two things.
hope you enjoyed that little video and recap of our wonderful time. It was a fantastic cruise. It was a wonderful ship. Everything about it was wonderful. Donna Fortuna with Crafters Therapy Cruises is amazing. Very professional. Takes really great care of me and all of her students and just provides the best experience. So you need to check her out. And the next cruise, which will be in Alaska of May of 2025 with me, I'll be teaching again. Probably again 2 classes, maybe 3, we'll see, and a make and take. We'll iron out those details later, but I will give you a link to my blog in the description below so you can go read all about the details, the costs, all the things for that Alaska cruise. Let's take a quick look at what we have here. So this is a pre-made spiral album from 49 and Market. Trying to remember the name of the collection. Go look it up. Sorry, it is Sunburst. And so the kit that they received had the spiral album in here. There's another little spiral album that comes in this set, but I took it apart to build some of the things on the inside of the book. So this has been repackaged with the rub-ons. So that came with the kit. You'll see when we go through it. And so every guest got this with the rub-ons and the album. And they got all their pieces and parts pre-cut with all the different pages in here. They got some inks and some daubers, and they got their directions, of course. Really quick flip through. We used some fun. This is a retired die from Elizabeth Craft Designs. Everything is listed in the directions on what I used here, and but this one is retired. Really cute, from Yosette with Elizabeth Crafts. We added some leaves, we added some rub-ons, we added some letters from my set of the classic alphabet. And then my day is also from my everyday word sets, and my my borders from last release are here. We use those to add the waves. The travel and postage stamp set they got to color. This is a little pocket. This is one of the pieces from that smaller little spiral album that comes in the kit that I cut apart for class. So lots of die cuts, rub-ons, super fun. And then this was intended for people who were on the cruise, so that's why it says day 1. Certainly if you bought one of these kits, you wouldn't have to do that unless you were going on a cruise or you were documenting your days on a trip or something like that. So each one has a day 2, day 3, lots of rub-ons, different dies from Elizabeth Craft Designs. And there's some more of my borders and my stamp here from the travel and postage. Day 4 is a spread. Day 5 is a spread, because the longer you're on the ship, the more pictures you take and there's more things to document. Day 6 is a spread, and we added these fun things, the circles and more photo mats and this wonderful thing. This is from the Iris Shutter add-on. I'll link everything below if you like. And the final day at sea was day 7. And there's the travel and postage stamp there with my postage die, my borders. Lots and lots of fun. Very easy to do. Everybody finished, which was awesome. I always like to do a card class because a lot of people still send cards, still like cards. So this is what the kit looks like. It's all in one bag for this one. And of course directions. And so what we've done here is I utilize the Elegant Decorative Box die from Angelica, and I created a double drawer. So I actually used the die twice, and we constructed this outer part ourselves to make a double drawer little card set. So in the bottom drawer are little envelopes everybody got. I did these on my elephant envelope punch board. So there's 4 cards made of craft for the bottom drawer. And of course I used my Harmonious Hodgepodge paper collection from last spring for all of these pieces and parts. And then they made 4 little cards, again with a lot of my collection, my stamps, my dies. I will link everything below, of course. But these are cute little cards, and inside, of course, we decorated as well, and we used the cut apart so you could write your little message, and they fit perfectly in their little envelopes. So lots of fun. So that is it. And like I said, I believe I have about 3 of these album kits available, which, you know, this could be a summer album. Doesn't have to say cruisin'. You could substitute something on the front for that. And then this one I have a few more of. I don't know exactly how many, but they will be in my Etsy shop, which is linked below. I'm going to try to get them out there tomorrow, which will be Friday, September the 20th. If not then Saturday for sure, the 21st of September 2024. Here we are. Okay, so that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you grab yourself an extra kit, and I will see you next week in the next crafty video.